Hello, I'm David from Trade Nation, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to place a trade from the chart. Okay, so we've got the trading platform up and running. We've got our list of popular markets down here, which is great because we've got the UK 100 in there, and that's what I'm looking to trade today. So we go across the row and we click on the chart icon, and the chart pops up. Now, if you're anything like me, you probably want to see this in a browser in bigger size. So just click on the button here, and we can see the chart in far more detail. There we go. Now, this is an hourly chart of the UK 100, which is exactly what I want to look at. And I'm just going to drag and drop by placing my finger on the left-hand side of the mouse, dragging that across, so I've got a little bit of space to play with here. Now, the first thing you might notice is that over here we have a trade ticket that sort of comes up as you launch the chart. If that's in your way at any time, then just go over to the top right-hand side, click here, and the ticket disappears. But of course, we're going to be using that today. So let's click there and get the ticket back. Now, once you've got the ticket, you put in your stake. This is the first thing you do. This is the number of pounds or dollars or euros, whatever it is, a point that you would like to trade per point movement in the index, in this case, the UK 100. I'm going to keep it small. I'm just going to type in 1 because I just want to trade $1 per point. Now, it's important to know this because unlike when you trade from the platform, when you click on buy or sell, you then are asked if you want to submit that. So you get a second chance to think about whether you want to go ahead with the trade. When you're trading from the charts, as soon as you hit buy or as soon as you hit sell, then the trade is done. So let's make sure that you're absolutely happy with what we want to do. You can see from over here that the UK 100 has gone up quite a lot in the last hour or so. So I think it might come back a bit from here. So I'm looking to sell. I've put the amount in. I can see the sell price is 59.34.5 or thereabouts. It's moving about a little bit, but I'm happy to just go ahead and click on sell now. And you can see straight away my confirmation comes up that I've sold one at 59.34.7. If we get rid of that, go back to the trading platform, and if I just scroll across here and move my head up a bit, you can see that position straight away appears in open position. So I've sold one, 59.34.7, and you can see the P&L updating in real time. So there you go. That shows you how to place a trade from the chart. I hope you found that useful. And can I just remind you that to make sure you keep up to date with everything that's going on at Trade Nation, please go to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button. In the meantime, I'd just like to say thank you very much for watching and best of luck with your trading.